man. Get ready for the most anticipated album release party of the year. Join us at Fred's Bar and Grill, an unforgettable night of music, entertainment, and celebration. The event kicks off at 10 p.m. on Saturday, August 3rd. Featuring live performance by 144, The Rebel. Don't miss out on an exclusive track from the new album. Mark your calendar and bring your friends and follow 144 on social media, all platforms. For more updates, 144 The Rebel release party. Be there.
Brand new Evans to a mall quad. Telling me how the crackers turn his childhood to a ghost town.